Hey guys, just to clarify, some of you guys may have been wondering about this folder structure that I created to put my new servlet file into, as well as my new web.xml file into. And the reason I structured these folders this way is because this is basically the standard way to structure a Java web application. As you can see here, this image comes from the Jakarta website, and it shows you the file structure of a Java web application. As you may remember, our static HTML pages in the beginning that we created were here in the root directory, and in our case, the root directory is the match2 folder. And I can just jump over and show you that quickly, hopefully. So yeah, here is our projects folder, and if we come to the match2, this is where we created our two static HTML files. And as you can see here back on this image, that lines up with what they talk about here in the assembly root. You have your web pages, which is what we have in our root directory. And if we come back here to the folder structure that I talked about creating, we have this WebINF, which I created based on this. Within the WebINF, there is a classes file, which I also created here. And within the classes file, I have three more layers of folders. And again, if you guys are familiar with the concept of Java packages, you'll know exactly what these particular subfolders are here, the COM, the match2, and the servlets. Um, if you don't, that's something you can kind of look up and study on your own. I literally could have just put this match servlet.java file directly into the classes, but most of the time when you're creating Java web applications or any kind of a Java application, you're usually going to put all of your classes in a particular, they call them packages. It's just a way to separate and categorize your classes. And in this case, since I created a servlet class, I created a special folder just called servlets. And the reason um, you're going to see this com and this match2 is that's just a common convention when a company, let's take IBM for example, if they create a set of classes, they will usually start all their package names with com and then .ibm, and that way no other company in the world is going to conflict with their particular package structure. So basically, though, just to get back to the clarification I wanted to make, the new folder structure that I created, or the folders that I added to the structure that I already had, I created them this way, and that's because of the standard Java web application folder structure.